What's good? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Faith, and I want to say hi and welcome if you're new. So, welcome back to the channel. So, in today's video, we are going to be doing some unboxing of some stuff that I picked up from Dollar Tree, Five Below, Amazon, and Temu. So, let's jump right into the video. So, I'm going to start with Dollar Tree. So, I found these little, I don't know what you call them. It was in the, that more section, right? So as you can see on the box, it said that they were $3. And I just wanted to get these so I can see what they do. These remind me of Fruit Loops. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing some Fruit Loop nails. I like these butterfly things right here too. So we're definitely going to get off into these as well. Yeah, because we got to see what these do. Look at these. I'm gonna open this up and see what it feels like. If I can open it. Hopefully they not. Let's do this. Because sometimes they be having a little tape on there. It does not. Let's see what these feel like. And they're really, really small, as you can see. So encapsulating these, or or it'll be fine when we encapsulate these. It feel like, oh hell, I just saw it. But it feels like erasers. I'm gonna throw them away. So I think we'll figure out how this works with the monomer. There's a lot that you can do with this. I'm trying to make this video super fast, but I can't wait to encapsulate these. And there's just different things in here. So I did pick up these nail tips because I didn't have any. I didn't have any, and we are going to do them. Because why not? Why not, right? I will leave the Amazon stuff on my Amazon storefront, so the link for that will be in the description box below. So y'all, look, we had to get us some duck tips. These so ugly, but we gonna do we gonna work with them anyway. You see that we gonna work with them anyway. Yeah, I forget exactly how many come in here, but all that information will be in the description box. Oh, there it is, right there. There's 550 pieces that come in this. Again, anything from Amazon will be linked in the description box. Also, I haven't done any of the Barbie nails at all. I did not hop on that trend like, everyone else did. I just got the Barbie heads because I just thought that they were cute. See, those are real cute. Nice and sparkling. Got some of those. Let's see how many. Oh, don't say how many are in here, but those will be linked in the description box as well. Next up is I needed more colored flowers than the ones that I had. I already kind of opened this stuff prior to the video just so I can, it doesn't take me a long time to open everything, but I just dump out everything. So you get some glue. I have to look and see if this is like you supposed to like cure this or whatever the case may be. But look how it's kind of, there we go. You got a nice little nozzle tip on here for accuracy. So yeah, that's pretty cool. You get, oops, you get a wax pencil, some tweezers. These tweezers feel kind of flimsy, but you do get those. And then you get 4 packs of flowers. Like I already had some white flowers, so that's fine. But they have the micro beads in there. I like that these have the gold ones and the rose gold in here. And there's some AB crystals in this one. Are all of them like that? Looks like. I see silver in this one. So yeah, there's some AB crystals in this one. Yeah, there's some in the one with the yellow in it too, if you can see it. Um, yeah, because I needed more colors. I didn't have a lot of colors. So I needed to get more colors. And that is that. Here's another item that I got from Amazon. And check this out. Check this out, y'all. Y'all see this? This is something else. This is something else. I wanted a rechargeable lamp for my Gel X nails. And here's the thing. You get 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds. This was less than $20. So let's go ahead and open this up so you can see what this looks like. Again, this one is linked as well. So comes with your instruction manual. You got your cord to recharge. It is a USB-C charger, kind of like the other end of the iPhone. So look at this light. This is a gooseneck light. Oh dang, I turned it on accident. But wait, I want to see. Let me turn this off. Don't this tell me that this doesn't look like fake or it doesn't look real? This part of it, because I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it out anyway. But you have 3, 6, 9, 12 beads on here. This is super bright. Again, you have the 30-second option. You have the 60-second and the 90 seconds. But I'm just going to turn it off because I can't even stand it all the way up on the desk all the way because of my phone. All right. So now that I got this, I moved the camera up a little bit so that I can stand this all the way up. So if I turn this to the side, this has a pretty long neck on it. It is a gooseneck, which I like because if you don't want it that high and you just want to like turn it, let's say you don't want it that high and you want it maybe about this high or so. So you can just go in right there and cure. Or if you want to keep it that high, keep it that high, honey. Either way. But again, honey, I could not pass this up for this. I'm gonna leave this on so you guys can kind of watch that in the background while we get ready to open up some other stuff so you can see that go off. And then it has the whole battery timer display up there. So next we're going to move on to some items that I purchased off of Temu. Um, that's getting ready to go off. So we're gonna move that in here in just a moment. Next up, I purchased some lint-free wipes from Temu. I could link these as well in the description box. I was just trying to see where to open this at, but okay. We're just gonna cut it open. I just wanted some penguins. Oh, clearly, if I read it, it said right there to open it. Let's see. Is it gonna like do it like the wipe case? Let's see. That's what I get for not reading. Oh, it does. So you can leave it in here. If I want to take that back up, I can. And get. Let's see what happens when you wet it. Definitely. And it's kind of hard to tear too. Guys, I cannot remember where I got these from, but I promise, it's when I do edit the video, I'll put that on screen where I actually got these from. So anyway, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets, right? And both these two are the same. These two are the same. So these are just some French nail designs. Um, these are really, really cute. I'm gonna try this out. Like, we're gonna try it out. And do some French tip nails. To see, I like these. These are really cute. They come with different designs. The other one has more of the abstract nail art on it. This is a huge time saver. If you don't have time to be drawing out all these colors and all of that. Like I said, I believe that these will look really good on like gel X nails. Um, yeah, at the same time, honey, because why not, right? Now, let's move on to some items that I got from Five Below. And I just had basically got this stuff, you know, and I had never really done anything with them, but I have never tried these nail wraps before, and I wanted to try the nail wraps. These are really cute. Um, of course, they had more. Um, it comes with the instructions on how to use it and everything. I've never um had used these before, but as you can see, it says how to apply, um, so on and so forth. Yeah. So I most likely am not going to use these on my regular nails. My nails don't grow very well. Um, and also due to an autoimmune condition and the medicine that I'm on, honey, my nails don't stay. But look how gorgeous these are. These are so cute. So I'm thinking these are the thumbs, and all the way down here is the pinky because they're rather small. And yeah, you get 24 wraps. So technically, you can do this twice. These are what these look like. And for these, I felt like they had other designs, but I felt like this particular design looked better. Oh, pardon me, guys. I'm trying to cut the tape. Well, we're just going to cut the tab. And see, these are so cute. I like these. Really pretty. Those are the nail wraps that I got from Five Below. And up next, y'all, like, I just had to get these, right? I was in Five Below with my husband, and then I saw this. Look, so if you remember my turn any press-ons into acrylic video, I'll go ahead and I'll leave that in the upper right-hand corner of this video if you want to check that out. I was like, look, just Cheetos, really? Really? So let me open these. Of course, there's tape all over the box. So there are 18 nails that come in here. So you get 18 of these. Um, they really had these taped up. But I wanted to take the plastic off of them so you guys can see them up close. Look at that. I want, pretty sure you will have to top coat these so that the monomer does not, destroy it. But look at that. That's so cute. I couldn't like leave these. I was like, these are super freaking cute. So I don't know what particular design I'm going to do with that. Really? All right. Let's take the tape off the bottom. Stop it. This thing is like really flimsy too. Get back in there. What? They got tape, is it? Oh, guys, there's tape under here. Why would they do that? Like, I guess they really just want you to just pop these on and then take them off. Like, what? Uh-uh. No, that's not the plan that I have for these. The plan that I have for these was to actually turn these into acrylics, of course. Um, because why would you? Because these are kind of short. All right, let's just put that back in there and not expose that. I'm gonna see how to get that off of there. How to get that glue off of there because I don't want that to be on there. I'm pretty sure now if I had a read it, it clearly probably would have told me that it was on there. Place pre-glued nail. Really? No, no pre-glued. How is that gonna last? Okay. That's a whole nother story. All right. So next up though, right next to those press-ons, I saw these. I was like, get out of here. Get out of here. So here's what you got. You got two nail polishes and decals. So I'm thinking when I do these nails, they're probably not going to be that size. But you got the decals that go around the nail polish. Get out of here. The nail polish is only 0.25 fluid ounces, so that's not a lot. And then you have this one. Oh my God. Oh, look at the glitter in this. This is so pretty. But we gonna see. And of course it's not gel polish, so you gotta allow it to dry. I'm going to go ahead and take this around here. Be careful using your scissors. Because I haven't opened any of this, obviously. Oh no, honey. Like, oh my goodness gracious. This is going to be something. So, yeah, I haven't seen anybody else do it. So, I'm going to try to hurry up and do it before everybody else, honey, because they take a trend and wear it out. They wear it out, honey. Girl, they not playing with the hot Cheetos. Oh my God. So y'all know what we gonna do. We're about to get crazy with it. And y'all, so we got the press-ons. So remember we got these press-ons right here. Let's push that back there in there. Get in there. This box is just not gonna last. How about that? You got the press-ons, and so you got the nail polish. And right next to that, look what I saw. Look what I saw. These are so cute. I could not pass this up. I was like, oh no, honey, look at that. You have your powder brush, your blender brush, your shadow brush, and your eyeliner brush. Get out of here, y'all. So, yeah. That is the last thing that I got um, from, again, my little nail art haul. Here is all the stuff that I got from Dollar Tree, Five Below, Amazon, Temu. Um, yeah, links for all the products will be in the description box below. That's going to be all for this video. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.